morning, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a chance to go outside and enjoy the weather yesterday because I know the next 2 days don't look very nice. I wanted to go over a couple of things with you today. So the first is your Bible memory. You can fill in the blank in your packet. You can do it another way. I've had some people have their parents tape it and then send me a video, so you can do that too. So as a review, I wanted just to go over it with you. You're more than welcome to say it with me as I say it too. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it, but whoever loses their life for me will find it." Matthew 16, verses 24 and 25. The other thing that I wanted to go over today is how to use your syllaboards again, because it's been a little bit. And so as you are learning this new consonant LE vowel, then I want to go over that with you. So I made my own syllaboards because I don't have my syllaboards at home and I don't have one of those page protectors either. So remember our process of this. If you know the word, don't say it. So we're going to do some searching and some looking at this today. First we look and we say, how many vowels are in this word? How many vowels do I see? I see 2. Are they together or are they apart? They're apart. Do I see any R controlled? No. Do I see any vowel teams? No. Do I see any vowel consonant E? Vowel consonant E. And nope, I don't. I see a vowel and I see an E, but there's more than one consonant in between. So I know that it is a little bit different with this one. So if I see 2 vowels, that means I need 2 syllaboards. So I don't need this third one. I only need 2. I start off by writing out my vowels. So my A and my E. Now, whenever we have a consonant LE, it will always get stuck together, no matter what. So on my syllaboard, I know right away that I also need my D and my L. And then I go back through and I fill in the rest of my consonants. So I take a look at this and then I touch and say, candle, candle. Okay, I want to do another one with you. As one more example, we're going to have to see if I need any more syllaboards as I'm doing this one with you today. All right, let's do the word multiple. Now I just broke my own rule because I said it. I wasn't supposed to say it, so try to ignore that. All right, now we take a look. How many vowels do I see? I see 3. Are they together or are they apart? They're apart. Do I see any vowel teams? No. R controls? No. Vowel consonant E? No. Okay, so if I have 3 vowels, then I know I need 3 syllaboards. So I need to sneak my other syllaboard back in here. I'm going to write down my vowels first. U, I, E. And I'm going to look, there's an L, there's a consonant in front of it, which means they all get stuck together on one syllaboard. Then I go back through and I fill in my consonants. Now, I'm going to say it just the way that it looks. Multiple. Multiple. That doesn't seem right. I think I need to schwa something. I think I need to schwa the middle syllable. All right, now we do multiple. Multiple. All right, so work hard on these vowel consonant, or these consonant LE words. I made a mistake there. I hope that you guys are working hard for your parents and trying to do your best to do your best for them. And yeah, we'll do another lesson next week. Have a good one.